The only hope for you now is a relationship with the Lord. So when we see that, people, they're going to begin to walk away from the tangible ornaments, the elaborate rituals. They're not going to be moved by those. Their emotions aren't going to be moved by the right rhythm, by the right beat, by the right sound created by man. They're actually going to be moved by the rhythm of the Father's heartbeat, moving through their frequencies coming out of heaven. In the crucible of worship, the remnant has been prepared. Our hearts have been tempered like fine steel, resilient and unyielded in the face of adversity. The restoration of the Father's house is not a mere renovation of bricks and mortar, but a rekindling of the eternal flame of his presence within the heart of his children. And as we begin to see this remnant labor tirelessly to align our wills with his, a transformational shift will begin to occur. And the radiance of his glory shines forth in our lives with unparalleled brilliance. And the heavens themselves will bear witness to the sacred unfolding, and the angelic host will join in unison to herald the dawning of a new age. Today, friends, we are standing on the precipice of a great spiritual awakening. Let us heed the call. Let us be vigilant in our worship, fervent in our devotion, steadfast in our faith, for we are the torchbearers of a new dawn, the heralds of divine restoration that shall resound throughout the ages. Could you imagine us beginning to walk in the reality of who we truly are, so that we become a witness to 400 years down the road, that they can look back and say, wow, they opened the door for us. They walked in such a powerful truth that's even impacted my life today.